Hi, Chef Raphael here. On today's delicious video, I'm going to show you how to make healthy broccoli and cauliflower. Now, if you are the kind of person who doesn't like either cauliflower or broccoli, you will love these ones because what I did, I actually roasted them. I actually used an air fryer, so you can call them air fried broccoli and cauliflower, but you can use the same procedure when you're cooking them in the oven. What they need is dry heat. Super simple to make. This is a very simple recipe, but the results are awesome. What I also have on this specific recipe is that I actually made a sauce to go very well with this combination of vegetables with honey, soy sauce. It's actually like a teriyaki sauce, but even if you don't know what a teriyaki sauce is, it's honey and soy sauce. Very simple to make as well. It's optional for this. So if you don't even if you don't have the teriyaki or soy sauce or honey in your house, just roasting them will make you love the broccoli and cauliflower. I know you learned something new on this video. To make this delicious healthy meal, I actually used the fresh fry cooking oil with the ginger oil. This is now the ginger variety. It also adds flavor to the vegetables. It has nice ginger, so I don't need to add ginger to it. Watch till the end and you see how simple it is to make it. Let's get cooking. Welcome to the show. Now today's healthy recipe, again brought to you by the fresh fry cooking oil, and my oil of choice is this one, the fresh fry with ginger oil. Now we also have the one with garlic. That can still work on this recipe, or you can also use the original one. Now remember, fresh fry is the only cooking oil in Kenya that has been endorsed by the Kenya Nutritionist and Dietitians Institute. So the inspiration for this recipe is all about how do you make your vegetables healthier. Now, and vegetables for sure, whenever you have more, there's nothing like too much vegetables. Now, I actually was in my fridge and I was looking at what ingredients I had, and I saw the broccoli and cauliflower. Now, I usually steam these vegetables and then fry them. Did you know you can actually roast them? Now, I'm using the air fryer on this recipe, and before that, let me talk about what I did to the vegetables. The first thing you want to do with the vegetables is to clean them. So you clean them thoroughly on the top, after removing the excess leaves that will be on the side, and then cut them into smaller pieces like florets, basically. And as you're cutting them, just make sure that they're the same size. That's the most important thing. And then just put them in a bowl, and that's it. The next thing I want to do is to put a little bit of the fresh fry ginger oil, just a little bit of salt and pepper. And I don't want to put a lot of salt and pepper because I'm actually going to make a small dressing that will go very well with these vegetables. But you do not even have to do that. Even just roasted, or cooked in an oven, that's good enough. But I want to make them, to keep them a notch higher by just adding an extra flavor, which has some soy sauce and some honey. So now my vegetables are ready. I've put a little bit of salt and pepper, a little bit of oil. Now, how much oil do you need? Should be just enough to have a nice even coating of the oil on all vegetables. Whenever you're cooking them in a dry, like in an oven, or in this case an air fryer, you want everything to be coated with some oil. If it doesn't have oil, what it will do, instead of browning, it will become black. So right now they are ready. I didn't put too much salt because I'm going to put something else on the side. And now all I need to do is put them in my air fryer. Spread them. I'll actually add a tiny amount. Notice some of them don't have oil. That should be enough, especially with the ginger oil. It has a nice ginger flavor, and that's what I want. And then simple. So I've set it at 200 degrees and this should cook in about 10 minutes. So to make the dressing that for this cauliflower and broccoli, I have soy sauce. In fact, just what I had in the fridge, light soy sauce and dark soy sauce. So I'm actually going to use both. So the pan is hot, so I'll put it aside. Don't want it to be too hot. So the dark soy sauce, I'm going to the light soy sauce, and then to that I'm going to add the dark soy sauce. It's basically to dilute it, but I'm also going to add some honey. So this will give a nice sweet and salty taste. Mix everything on low heat. So how sweet or salty you want it, it's all up to you. So add a little bit more of honey if that's what you want. Gonna give it a taste. A little bit more of honey. So I think that is good. So nice, salty, and the sweet taste from the honey. And then all I need to do is add a little bit of this to my broccoli and cauliflower, which are actually ready right now. So my vegetables are ready. They smell really nice. And even if you do not put the sauce that I made, the teriyaki sauce that I made, what I did when I removed them from the air fryer is that they actually will look golden brown. You want them to be a little bit golden brown, but you also want them crunchy. So you remove them from the air fryer, even if you're using the oven, and then all you need to do now to finish them with the teriyaki sauce is just put them in a bowl and then pour the sauce on top, and then just toss the vegetables, and this is the way they will look like. And also what I did is I also added some sesame seeds. For the sesame seeds, all you need to do is toast them on a dry hot pan, not so hot, just a medium heat pan. Let them cook for about 1 or 2 minutes depending on the heat of the pan until they're a little bit brown and toasted, rather than just using them from the can. You need to toast them first. That is optional, but it also gives a nice flavor to the finished meal, which is what I did. I sprinkled some sesame seeds, and flavor wise it's awesome. Now this dish can be eaten both hot or cold. If you ask me, this is healthy because, first of all, anyone who doesn't like cauliflower or broccoli, when they have a taste of this, it has a nice nutty flavor. The ginger from the ginger oil, you can taste it that I used, and it's basically all round and it's great. And I hope you'll enjoy yours. If I could take a taste of the broccoli. Awesome. The sweetness from the sauce that I made, it has a nice meaty flavor. It's just because of the roasting process, and it's awesome, and I'm sure you like it. Let me know in the comment section how yours turns out. Wow, this is my new favorite meal. See you on the next one. Till next time, goodbye.